If you drive an older vehicle like me, you have these cloth seats. I like the beige in them, but they just get so stained so easily. I'm gonna zoom in so you can look at all the stains, and then we're gonna make this car get an upgrade.
So I do not know what happened to my sound right here, but I wanted to say that the only difficult part, honestly, was just getting it to form fit to the chair without sticking up at all. And I know with time, the more you sit on these and the more the fabric relaxes into the seat itself, they will conform a little bit better. I did not have a problem at all with how these conformed with day one. I haven't even got a chance to sit on them and really just drive and relax into them. But the other issue I have with my personal cloth seats is that the seat itself is ribbed. Right here's what I'm showing. So if I wear shorts and I sit here, it leaves lines on the back of my leg, and I really am not about that life. So I love that the seat covers have the seat cover part on the back and on the chair itself. Now I'm going to go ahead and go on to the other side and do that seat as well. All in all, not even exaggerating, this took less than 5 minutes to put these on, and the only reason they even took that long is because I had just got them out of the box and I wasn't exactly sure how to do it. I read no instructions. I just fitted these on like I was putting on a shirt and getting the car dressed. It was so easy, it made all the difference, and I'm absolutely stunned to have these.